In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and manage an enterprise portfolio in Jira plans. If you're responsible for portfolio management, PMO governance, enterprise architecture, or agile delivery, you already know how messy things get when project data lives in too many places. Spreadsheets, emails, and separate team boards make it hard to see the full picture. Jira Plans helps bring that information together so you can track strategy, capacity, and delivery in one centralized environment. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Atlassian cloud site, or sign in through your company's single sign-on page if that's how your environment is set up. Once you're in and your main Jira workspace has loaded, avoid jumping into individual team boards for now. Instead, head straight into the planning area where portfolio level work is managed. From the top navigation bar, click Plans, then choose Create Plan. This is where you'll build your master portfolio view. Give the plan a clear professional title that reflects the portfolio you want to oversee, then continue to the next screen. A strong title makes the plan easier to recognize later, especially if multiple plans exist across the organization. Next, choose the data sources you want this portfolio to include. You can pull in software projects, saved issue filters, or broader team spaces depending on how your Jira environment is organized. This step defines the boundaries of your portfolio and determines what delivery data rolls up into the plan. Once selected, Jira will pull in the connected work so you can monitor multiple teams from one place instead of checking each project separately. Now, set up the hierarchy properly. In the hierarchy settings, choose Initiative as the top level view so you can track large strategic efforts rather than only team level work. Create a new initiative with a short, clear title that represents a business program or major investment area. Then open that item and connect the related epics underneath it. This parent-child structure is what allows executive planning to stay aligned with delivery activity happening on the ground. After that, move to the timeline view to map dependencies visually. Find a milestone or epic bar, hover near its edge until the link point appears, then click and drag that connection to the related item in another project. This creates a visible dependency between teams and helps expose delivery risks early, especially when one group's progress affects another. If you want a faster executive view, go to Dashboards and create a new dashboard. On the empty canvas, select Add Gadget, then choose gadgets such as a portfolio plan view, two-dimensional statistics, or a pie chart. Point those gadgets to the same portfolio data so leadership can monitor status, trends, and distribution at a glance. Before wrapping up, review the full plan and dashboard carefully. Confirm that your initiatives display correctly, your epics sit under the right parent items, and your dependency links are accurate and easy to read. That final validation